Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS S3 access for Spark jobs on EMR step by step clearly. To authorize AWS S3 access for Spark jobs on EMR, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM dashboard. Select the Roles option from the sidebar. Click the Create Role button. Choose EMR as the trusted entity type. Select EMR_post_processor as the use case. Click Next, Permissions. In the search bar, type Amazon S3 Full Access. Select the box next to the Amazon S3 Full Access policy. Click Next, Tags to proceed. You can optionally add tags for organization purposes. Click Next, Review to continue. Enter a recognizable name for your role, such as EMR_S3_access. Review the permissions and tags. Click the Create Role button. Next, navigate to the EMR dashboard. Start to create a new EMR cluster by clicking on Create Cluster. In the cluster name field, enter a suitable name for your cluster. Under the Roles section, look for the IAM Roles option. Choose the role you just created from the drop-down menu. Proceed to configure the rest of your cluster as needed. Once you've made all necessary configurations, click the Create Cluster button. Wait for the cluster to spin up and transition to the running state. With your EMR cluster running, you can now submit Spark jobs. Use the AWS CLI or the EMR console to submit your Spark job to the cluster. Ensure your job references the correct S3 paths for input and output. Your Spark job should now have the necessary permissions to access S3. Monitor the job's progress through the EMR dashboard. Once complete, check the results stored in your specified S3 bucket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.